Hello students, we are going to discuss about the social transformation, engineering, law and justice. Social transformation is a transformation which is made out inside the society. Now the question is, what is society and what is transformation? If you go through the social transformation, that society is changing day by day. That is called social change. From the ages of the ancient civilization, we have been proceed further for the medieval civilization. From the medieval civilization, we are in the context of the modern civilization. From the modern civilization, we have been get progress with the new millennium. We are in the last quarter of the 21st century. The world is developing, and it is also a theme that India is a developing country. India is no more a developed country. The developed countries are the European-based countries, and they are not in a condition to help the India, as a result of which the structure of the India is changing, the society is changing, the behavior is changing, the men are changing. So the mankind became a changing part of the society. Whenever the human being changes, the behavior changes, the structure changes, the society changes. The society change itself, it is a transformative in nature. Regarding the transformation is concerned, in this making world, we are in the made in world, and within this world, within this realm, which has been categorically described as realm versus personam. If any personam develops his intellectual output, then and there it became a innovative aspect for the society. Regarding the transformation is concerned, that the society has invented one another aspect that is called rapid innovation of telecommunication, and the telecommunication developed the informative era. The informative era became a knowledge for the society, and we are in the last quarter of the 21st century. We access internet, the world became a village. It is a rampant practice over the society. Every human being is using the Android phone, laptop, iPhone, iPad, and these are relevant aspects to the internet. And with this internet, you can access what Obama is doing, what the Japan president is doing, what the Chinas are maliciously infected with the coronavirus. Every nook and corner of the world you can access with a fingertip. With the use of the computer, by through the information technology, it became a development in the core aspects of the society. As a result of which, the society is changing, the behavior of changing, the structures are changing. It is a social justice to the human being, and that is the transformation. If you go through the another core aspects of the transformation is the concern that if a human being, those who have been get admitted into the army, after his training he became a soldier to the border, and he has to lost his life for his patriotism, and that is also after training he became transformed himself, became a soldier. A young generation produced a soldier, and soldier became a transformative one by through his value, by through his education, by through his training, and by through his transfigured personality. It became a value core citizen to the society. That is transformation. That is called the transformation of a human being. Social transformation is quite different from legal transformation, and the social legal issues are generally occurs inside the society, and every problem of the society has a remedial measure, and the remedial measures have to be measured by through the legal instruments. If any problem arises inside the society, then and there the society has no remedial measures. So a law is an instrument which provides the eradicate measures to the social problems. The social habits have to be eradicated by the legal parameters. So these are the transformations which are going on rampantly inside the society from the ancient civilization to the modern age. We are in the modern era. We are in the last quarter of the 21st century. Now the question is why we have to think for a while for the social transformation, because the society changes, the law changes, as well as the the application of law is changing. So it is the need of the hour. We have to think for a while that transformation is the need of the process. The need of the process in this innovative era, the transformation have to be made in regard to legal application, in regard to the social application, in regard to political justice is concerned. All the corridors of the justice are changing. That is called transformation. Thanking you.